One thing older people will never understand about Gen Z is how we can have two completely different conversations with each other at the same time on different apps. Because I was texting my mom on iMessage about how I just failed my math test, and she was like, "Tyler, I'm so disappointed in you." But then on another app, I saw a funny video of a cat biting their owner's leg, so I sent it to my mom, and I said, "This is totally something our cat would do, ha ha ha." But after I sent that, she responded by saying, "Are you sending me this video like you didn't just text me saying you're failing math?" But like, what parents don't understand is that when you're having two different conversations on different apps, they're not supposed to mix. Like, I'm a completely different person texting on one app than I am on another. So when my mom brought our iMessage conversation into the DMs, it was like she broke the fourth wall. I didn't even know you could do that.